Hello and welcome to the next episode of the Artistry of Code Snippets. In this episode, I want to share 4 tips with you which helped and keep helping me to grow as a developer. I found them not crazy obvious for many people, so that's why I believe it's worth to share them with you. First of all, I would like to encourage you to do the code reviews. It's often treated as an unnecessary duty, and we often try to avoid it because it's distracting us from our tasks which we do. But I believe it's a really good place to learn and grow our skills. Why? During the code reading, which has to be done at the very beginning of every code review, we can learn the good practices from other team members. And also we can find out the different approaches to tackling the programming challenges which have been tackled by others. The second tip is about the pet projects. I believe that most of us already doing some of them, as we all know that it helps to grow. But I want to share an experience with you about doing them out of my comfort zone. What I mean is that on the daily basis, I am mostly focused on the backend in Node.js together with JavaScript and TypeScript, while when I have to do the frontend, I would usually do that with React. When I do pet projects, I mean mostly like small ones just to exercise, I often try to push myself to do that in different frameworks and even different languages. So if I talk about the front-end pet project, I would try to do that in Svelte or Angular or Vue, while on the backend side, I would try .NET or Go or Java. Why I'm doing that? It helps me to find different point of views on tackling the problems, on different approaches to coding, splitting the stuff. And when I am back to Node, I often apply some practices which I've learned from other languages or frameworks to my current stack. The third tip is about Twitter, but keep calm, I will not tell you to write another Twitter bot. There is a lot of skilled people on Twitter posting about technical topics, and I believe that's really worth to have a Twitter account possibly separated from any other interests and try to follow the people who are posting about the tech stack which you are interested in. This helps me to stay up to date with the new releases of the frameworks, of the platforms, but it also helps me to broaden the horizons, discover new people to follow, and find out interesting articles or tips. The last but really important tip is helping others. It obviously starts from helping other team members at work, but I believe that it's really good for the community and ourselves as well to help other community members on platforms like Stack Overflow or Reddit or any other platform you use. I can't count how many times I discovered some stuff while trying to answer some question on Stack Overflow or Reddit, because people are often asking really interesting questions, and when we have to try to challenge ourselves to help them and provide them with the answer and the valuable answer, it requires often to create a repository, for example, to reproduce the issue or to showcase the solution which we want to propose, which obviously helps us to understand the issue better and also helps us to grow, because whenever we have to explain the things to others, we have to really understand them before doing so. And that's it for today. If you have any other tips which can help others to grow as developers, please share them in the comments or on Facebook or Twitter or YouTube. Stay safe, keep growing, and have a great day!